Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the Waterpik Sensonic Complete Care Water Flosser and Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush combo set. Whether you're looking to up your dental care routine or simply make brushing and flossing easier, this combo promises to deliver both in one device. Let's break down the details and see if it lives up to the hype. The Waterpik Sensonic Complete Care Set combines two essential tools in one package, a powerful water flosser and a rechargeable electric toothbrush. This combo claims to be up to 3 times more effective than manual brushing and flossing at improving gum health. The water flosser comes with 10 different settings and 5 specialty tips, while the Sensonic toothbrush offers 3 modes: clean, stain removal, and gum care, providing a tailored experience for a thorough cleaning. The water flosser features PrecisionPulse technology, which blends water pressure and pulsations to remove up to 99.9% of plaque bacteria from treated areas. It boasts a large reservoir capable of providing over 90 seconds of continuous flossing time, with a 360-degree rotating tip for easy access to all areas of your mouth. As for the toothbrush, it has contoured brush heads designed to hug your teeth for better cleaning, especially in hard-to-reach spots. The lithium-ion battery charges directly in the base and lasts up to 4 weeks on a single charge. It also includes a timer and pacer, ensuring you brush for the recommended 2 minutes. In terms of real-world use, this product is relatively easy to set up, with clear instructions and minimal hassle. The water flosser's multiple settings offer flexibility for different needs, while the Sensonic toothbrush provides a comfortable, effective brushing experience. However, the larger size of the unit might be a consideration if you're looking for something compact for travel or storage. Pros: the combination of both a water flosser and toothbrush in one device is incredibly convenient. Multiple settings on both the water flosser and toothbrush allow for a custom cleaning experience. The water flosser is highly effective, removing plaque and bacteria with impressive precision. The toothbrush's rechargeable battery offers long-lasting power, making it low maintenance. ADA approved, providing reassurance about its safety and effectiveness. Cons: the device is on the larger side, which may not be ideal for smaller bathrooms or for frequent travelers. It's priced higher than some basic alternatives, which might be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. Some users may find the water flosser's water pressure a bit too intense, especially on higher settings. Is this review useful to you? If so, like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other dental care enthusiasts can find this video. When it comes to value for money, the Waterpik Sensonic Care Set is an investment that offers premium features. The inclusion of both a high-quality water flosser and toothbrush, along with various settings and long battery life, justifies the price for those looking for a more comprehensive dental care solution. If you're looking for something simpler though, there are standalone water flossers and electric toothbrushes at lower price points, but they won't offer the same level of combined performance. In terms of build quality, the device feels sturdy, and the materials used are durable. The large water reservoir is easy to refill, and the toothbrush design is lightweight with a non-slip finish, making it comfortable to handle. I haven't had to reach out to Waterpik's customer support yet, but they are known for providing good service. Plus, the 2-year warranty provides peace of mind in case of any issues. To sum it up, the Waterpik Sensonic Complete Care Combo Set is a powerful, dual-purpose tool that makes dental care more effective and convenient. It's ideal for those looking to upgrade their oral hygiene routine with a comprehensive solution that offers both water flossing and electric brushing in one device. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in purchasing this product, check out the link in the comments box. Feel free to leave your thoughts or ask any questions if you've already tried it out. Goodbye for now, and remember, stay beautiful and keep those teeth sparkling.